What if I told you that thanks to Food Lovers Market, making a weekend-style seafood potjie in the middle of your busy work week is now more possible and easier than ever? There's no need to travel up the coast. Let's go grab sea-fresh, whole-shell cooked mussels in store to get this midweek potjie going. Are you joining me? There's nothing like the full-flavored taste explosion of a delicious mussel potjie. Of course, served with a freshly baked loaf. So delicious. We're more than a supermarket. We're a market for food lovers.